If you want a trade where you can apply attention to detail and demonstrate your creative flair using colour and texture, then our painting and decorating courses at Coleg Gwent could be just for you. Our courses make use of our fantastic facilities on campus and can be completed in 1 year if full-time. A career in painting and decorating is unique. It allows you to add the finishing touches to a job and ensure the task is pleasing to the eye, creating individual looks to your customers' tastes. You'll have the opportunity to get stuck in and get creative with a range of practical tasks, including the exploration of applying paint systems by brush and roller, preparing surfaces for decoration, and producing specialist decorative finishes. Working with professional equipment and taught by industry professionals with underpinning theory lessons, you'll gain the skills to excel in your trade. Get your paintbrush and roller at the ready. Find out more about our painting and decoration courses via our course search or register for our next open event now. Places fill up fast, so don't forget to apply.